Look at this. Ooh, man. Today we are upgrading the 9005 high beam bulbs with the Novsight N99 LED bulbs. Quick, simple, and a huge visibility upgrade. Let's get on it. We're gonna replace the high beam for the 2009 Corolla. This one was from 2003 to 2013 Corolla. All right, so first thing, let's open the hood. Okay, to open the hood, just pull this one, and then it has a tab that you have to pull and then open it. And we have to put the rod, this one, like this. Here. Right, so the high beam is this one, close to the grill. The other one in this side, this is the low beam, and this is the high beam. So we're gonna replace the high beam right now. Okay, so the bulb is that one over there, the first one, that is close to the grill. The only thing you have to do is to rotate the bulb and pull out. So let's see if we can rotate it and remove it. So we're gonna rotate it and then pull out. Yeah, you don't have to disconnect. So after it's in here, we can disconnect. So for that, you have to pull this tab on the bottom like this, and then pull it up like this. That's the connection. So now let's put the new one. So here is the new bulb. It has the same style of connection. So it goes like this. It clicks. Cool. So now let's put it back in there. Now let's turn on the headlights and let's see the difference between the OEM to the new LED. All right. Look at that. So you can see here the difference. These are the halogen bulbs and these are the LED. But you can see it there. Look at this one. Yeah, it is bright, but this one is more bright. Look at that. Ooh. And also one more thing, this one has a fan. So it has a fan, I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so here's the difference. This is the halogen bulb, the OEM bulb, and this is the LED bulb. It's more bright. Let's see that over here. Let me turn off the light so you can see it better. Okay, here you can see it better. This is the LED, and that's the halogen bulb. All right, so these are the high beams. On this side is the halogen bulb, the stock bulb, and in this side is the LED bulbs. These are the high beams. So as you can see, this is smaller, and this is way brighter. Cool. But remember, these are the high beams. So the LED is brighter. Amazing. Let's replace the other one. So let's see if my hand fits here. So this one, rotate like this. And that's how the high beams look. Look at this. Ooh, man. Look at that. See if I can. Super bright. Man, look at that. It's the other one. But remember, these are the high beams. All right, and this is how it looks, the reflection on the wall. Both LEDs, and these are the high beams. See, it's pretty bright and more wide. You can see it. It is great. And these are the high beams. Amazing. Even brightens the tree. So it's huge. You can see the difference. Let me see if you can see it here. Whoa, it's amazing. So that's the lights. That's how it looks. Wow, super bright. So these are the high beams. And that's it. Super easy upgrade that anyone can do. The best thing is that they are plug and play, super bright and super simple to install. If you enjoyed the video or it helped you out, hit the like, subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you for watching, God bless you and see you on the next one.